Pranav Karat, and welcome to another episode of Keep It Simple Silly. Today's topic is on how to make use of video at all stages of your sales cycle. Video selling, according to me, is the most effective and the most untapped method of selling. It not just blends the pros of a cold call or a personalized message, but it also negates the cons of it. Now, let me tell you how. A personalized message allows you to show your research, and it also allows the prospect to view your message in their own convenient time. But the disadvantage of that is the fact that there are enough competitors out there, and there is a good chance that your message could get buried under the pile of messages that the prospect receives from other salespeople. A cold call, on the other hand, is more upfront, and the prospect knows that there is an actual human who's trying to converse with them. But the cons of it is the fact that you always need to be at your A game, and there's a good chance that you might always catch them at a wrong time. A video selling, on the other hand, can blend the convenience of the prospect wanting to go through a message at their own convenient time, and at the same time make them realize that there is an actual human who's reaching out to them. In fact, it takes one step ahead of a cold call, and now the person can not just listen to your voice, but it even can see you visually, your body language, and your expressions. This not just takes your response rate, the prospect's response rate go up, but at the same time, it also makes it look different from the pile of messages that they've received from others and make you look credible at the same time. You can record a video and make it part of all stages of your sales cycle. The sales cycle could literally involve discovery calls, scheduling of meetings, taking demos, sending out proposals, and just having conversations with your prospects. Now, the way to create a video is quite simple. Let me explain that to you in 5 steps. Number 1, you can download apps such as Vidyard, Loom, or even Potion and have them integrated with LinkedIn. Second thing what you can do is go through your prospect's LinkedIn profile and website and formulate what you have to say around it. Number 3, I would highly recommend you to not make it scripted and memorize what you have to say, but apps like Potions have a teleprompter feature which you can use it while your video is being recorded. Fourth, click on record and just send it. The format of the video could be as follows. Number 1, introduce yourself. Number 2, let them know that you have researched about them. Number 3, let them know how you can help them. And number 4 could be a call to action. Fifth, send a recorded video in a GIF format onto their email or onto their chat box with a note saying, hey, I made a video note for you. The video note could be for 50, 30, 45 or 60 seconds. For conversations with your prospects, it can be somewhere between 15 to 30 seconds. For demos, it could be somewhere around 30 seconds. For discovery calls or proposals, it can range for somewhere between 30 to 45 to 60 seconds. Before you start the video, make sure the following things which I'm about to say are looked into. Number 1, your lighting and audio set. Make sure that your face is well lit. It's preferable that you face a window and not have it behind you. I would highly recommend you to invest in a ring light. It's somewhere around $9 to $10 on Amazon. Make sure there is no background noise or any kind of disturbance which could show up in your video. Second thing is have a good background. Now, this background could be anything. You can have a painting behind, or it can be a well set up wall or a well organized space, whether you're in your workspace or at your home. Number 3 is something which is a zoom feature where you can blur your background with a click of a button. And the fourth is simply having a plain wall. The third point is keep the camera in such a way that there is a 5 to 8% of your screen ratio between your head and the top of your screen. And the distance between the camera and yourself is placed in such a way that your face and your top half of your body is shown in the best way possible. My fourth and the most important point is to not overthink and to keep it simple, right? There's a good chance that you might stammer, you might do your ahs and your ums. It is okay, it's all right. Just use it in your video because that will make you look more human and that will make the video look more natural. Hope this video helped making video selling simple and actionable to get the ball rolling. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until then, this is Pranav Karat signing off.